Hey guys, Britt Treese here from WB Treese Consultants. I'm excited to see you guys at the InterNACHI National Convention, October 12th through the 14th, 2023, in Atlantic City, New Jersey, famous for the Bruce Springsteen song and Casinos and the movie Warrior. Great movie. Maybe I'll bring my guitar up and play that Springsteen song. It's one of my favorites. I'm excited to present to you guys on how to inspect the commercial kitchen. I had a great time building that course out with Maggie and Rob from CCPIA and building out those videos. I'm so looking forward to meeting with you, to having lunch with you, to taking questions. Those are some of my favorite parts. To dropping some jokes about, you know, all the good things that relate to business. And man, I just love last year's convention in Ontario, California, and meeting so many new friends. So I'm looking forward to doing that again. Come on out. Honestly, text or email or call so we can set up some big dinners. We'd love to do that with you guys and just spend as much time together as we can. I love inspecting. I love teaching, and I'm really looking forward to it. Thanks again.